Wait a second, did Samsung just make a mid-range phone better than its own flagship? Because if these leaks are accurate, the Galaxy A57 5G is doing something we almost never see. And honestly, it's shocking. Let's break this down. Thanks to the latest leak, the Galaxy A57 5G is coming in at $499. That's already $300 cheaper than the Galaxy S26. But here's where it gets crazy. The A57 features a 6.6-inch FHD plus dynamic AMOLED display. That's bigger than the S26's 6.3-inch panel. Now yes, both are FHD plus, but size matters for media, gaming, and multitasking. And here, the mid-range wins. But we're just getting started. Camera? The Galaxy A57 packs a 50 megapixels 1/1.56-inch main sensor. Sound familiar? That's because it's reportedly the exact same sensor found in the Galaxy S26. So in terms of primary camera hardware, there's no downgrade. You're getting flagship-level imaging in a $499 phone. Now let's talk charging. The Galaxy A57 supports 45W fast charging. The Galaxy S26? 25W. Yes, the cheaper phone charges almost twice as fast. Normally, the flagship dominates every spec. This time, Samsung flipped the script. And the design? The A57 is reportedly 6.9mm thin. The S26? Slightly thicker at 7.2mm. So the mid-range device is slimmer, bigger, and charges faster. That's not normal. That's strategic. But what about performance? This is where things get really interesting. Geekbench scores just surfaced, and the jump from the A56 to the A57 is noticeable. Single-core performance improves modestly. But multi-core performance? That's where the magic happens. The A56 scored around 3,800 in multi-core. The A57 jumps to approximately 4,445. That's a significant leap. What does that mean in real life? Better multitasking, smoother gaming, faster app switching, more stability when running heavy apps. Add 12 GB of RAM into the mix, and this device starts to feel less mid-range and more upper-tier performance monster. So what's going on here? Why would Samsung let a $499 phone outperform or outshine its $799 flagship in multiple areas? Here's the likely answer. The S26 will still dominate in areas like chipset power, premium materials, advanced camera features, possibly better display brightness and optimization. But Samsung may be positioning the A57 as the value champion of 2026. The phone for people who want 90% of the flagship experience, for way less money. And if that's the case, this could be one of Samsung's smartest moves in years. Because right now, the Galaxy A57 5G looks like checkmark bigger display, checkmark same main camera sensor, checkmark faster charging, checkmark slimmer design, checkmark strong multi-core performance, checkmark $300 cheaper. That's not just competitive, that's disruptive. The real question is, would you still buy the S26? Or is the Galaxy A57 5G the smarter choice this year? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Samsung updates, leaks, and comparisons. 2026 is getting very interesting.